Hi my dear guys, today we are going to learn a new type of multiplication trick which is multiplications of nearest hundreds. Suppose number 106 multiplied with 107. This number is more than 6 units than 100. This number is 7 units more than 100. So here 6 units more than 100. Here 7 units more than 100. So first of all these two numbers multiply. 6 sevens are 42. Just input 42 here. 42. In the second situation, 6 7. In the second situation, 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7, 13. 13. Go 13. And just add this 100. 100 with 13. That means 113. Here result is 11342. Suppose another example, 108 multiplied with 104. Here also this number is 8 units more, this number is 4 units more. 8 4s are 32 and 8 4 12. 8 4 12. Just add 100 within it and the result is 112. 11232. This is the type 1. These two numbers are more than 100. In the second situation, we are going to discuss about it. Okay, we are going now to second type of model. Suppose 97 multiplied with 99. For suppose here 3 less units than 100. 97 means 3 units less than 100. Here 1 unit less. Here also same situation, minus 3 multiplied with minus 1. What is the result? Plus 3. So input just 3 and here also 0. 2 places. And in the second condition, you have to do this minus 3 and minus 1, that means minus 4. So you have to just input 100 here, 100 minus 4, that is 96. What is the result? 97 multiplied by 99, 96 and 03. So second question in this type. Okay, look at again 98 and 92. Here look at this number is 2 units less than 100 and this number is 8 units less than 100. So multiply it. Minus 2 and minus 8. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 8, that means plus 16. Just input 16. And in the second condition, you have to minus 2 and minus 8, that is minus 10. Just add with 100, we get 90. 90. So input here. Here answer is 9016. Okay, we have to. Here also students, this is the type 3 type. Suppose 106 multiplied with 98. Here this is the more than 6 units than 100 and this number is less than 100 by 2 units. Here we have to multiply again. Plus 6 multiplied by minus 2, that is minus 12. You have not to input this minus 12 here because this is the negative value. If you get the negative value in the unit places, just add 100 in it. Just add 100 in it. So minus 12 plus 100, what is the result? 88. Okay. Next, in the next step, you have to plus 6 minus 2, you get 4. You have to, previous questions, we have to add 100, this 4, 104. So we have not to input 104 because here 100 goes with 12 minus 12. So we have to input 103 and 88. So second example, this is example 1. So we have to discuss example 2. Suppose 102 multiplied with 98. Suppose this is the 2 units more than 100 and this is 2 units less than 100. So just multiply it. 2 multiplied minus 2. What is the result? Minus 4. So you get here minus 4. So add it 100. So what is the result? 96. 96. And in the second step, minus 2 plus 2. Minus 2 and plus 2. What is the result? 0. And add with 100. What is the result? 100. So we have just borrowed 100 with minus 4. So here 100. 100 not is result. So 100 goes that side. So answer is 9996. 99 and 96. So this is the answer. So you have to more like this tricks and type of multiplications, more maths. You have to subscribe my channel and please support my dear friends and my dear students. So we have continue in the next video with amazing tricks.